Creators, coaches, agencies, imagine having an AI-powered editing assistant that turns your raw footage into viral scroll-stopping clips. And when you join through our link, you'll also get 3 powerful bonuses to help you launch, grow, and monetize your video presence. More on those in a moment, but first let's talk about Submagic. With one click, Submagic auto-generates 99% accurate subtitles in over 48 languages, no manual typing, no missed words, so if you're thinking of going global, just click to translate instantly. But Submagic doesn't just caption, it makes your videos pop. Think animated emojis, keyword highlights, sleek transitions, and even relevant B-roll footage to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. Got a long podcast, training, or live stream? Submagic removes silences, finds your best moments, and generates short, viral-ready clips, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Plans start at just $12 a month with 15 auto-captioned videos and 2-minute exports. Upgrade to Pro for longer videos, premium templates, and 2K resolution. Or go business for 4K quality, 30-minute videos, API access, and advanced team tools. No wonder over 3 million creators, including big names like Grant Cardone and Ali Abdaal, trust Submagic to edit smarter, not harder. Submagic saves you hours each week, boosts engagements, and delivers pro-level edits without the need for editing skills. But when you join through our link, you're not just getting Submagic. You're also getting 3 exclusive bonuses. Just email us at info@jakethornhill.com after your purchase so we can verify your membership and send them straight to you. So our first bonus is YouTube in 5 easy steps. It's a beginner-friendly blueprint to launch your channel quickly. And then we have bonus number 2, faceless video creation made easy. It's a proven system for producing high-quality faceless videos at scale. Last but definitely not the least, we have bonus number 3, YouTube Business Studio, a complete toolkit to turn YouTube into a revenue-generating business. So if you're ready to supercharge your content creation, stop wasting hours editing, and get 3 powerful bonuses to fast-track your success, tap the link in the description below, subscribe to Submagic, and send us your purchase confirmation. We'll send your bonuses right away. What are you waiting for?